This is a floating shelf, and sometimes these can be a bit puzzling if you want to remove them from the wall without actually pulling the wall asunder. So as you can see, they're kind of locked into place. So what you need to do is on the top of them you'll see a screw here. Sometimes people put them on the bottom. What you need to do is remove these two screws. And then the shelf will actually pull out like that. And that will help you remove the shelf without damaging your wall. Then you can proceed to remove that bracket then from the wall. There's some screws in it.